Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I wanted to share with you an item that I have that I didn't think I was going to love, but basically ended up falling in love with it. It's the Apple Watch Series 3. So I received this as a gift and I thought, am I even going to use this? Yeah, I use it every day and I don't know what I did before without it. The biggest thing that I love about this watch is that it actually inspires me to be more active. It has here the ability to record the amount of calories you burn, the amount of times you're active throughout the day, and the amount of times that you stand up. So you basically set your own personal goals for every day, and then you watch the circles, the rings close. I personally find it very fulfilling to close all of my rings every day, so that's kind of what is my motivation. As well, I love the fact that you can record your workouts. It has a whole list of different workouts. I do spin class every morning, so it's so easy for me to record my class. It keeps track of my heart rate, it keeps track of my time, my calories burned, and I just love checking at the end of the week my progress, how I'm doing. So this watch has so many different functions. Of course, it receives emails, it receives text messages. You can reply using the actual watch, you can reply with an audio message. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. You're gonna love this watch as well. You're gonna wonder what you did before without it. And that's my point of view.